So, good morning to all the people who will listen to this presentation. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Tibay Express presentation. So, Tibay Express stands for Travel Ventures International. So, it's touching lives globally. Okay? So, who we are a Travel Ventures International Express. It's e-commerce involved in international travel discount club and direct selling company. So, tayo po ay 3 years na ng successful operation. Started in United Kingdom last February 2009. We have over 4.5 million members, operational and existing in 210 countries. So, nag-grand launch po tayo sa Philippines last August 7, 2011. So, we have offices in United Kingdom, India, Indonesia, South Africa, Bangladesh, South Korea, and Makati, Philippines. And this is the only company for 3 years time po na nag-ooperate worldwide. It owns Pacific Rail Airways, which is located in Indonesia. Okay? So, ito po yung Pacific Royal. So, ito po ay nag-start lang po ng operation noong June 11, 2012. You can visit www.pacificroyal.com for more details about our airline. So, soon po magkakaroon po yan, hopefully, ng flights din dito po sa Pilipinas. So, it started in Indonesia. Okay? So, ito po yung ating South Korea grand opening noong June 1, 2012. So, inatinan po ito ng ating country head, si Miss Clarissa Kalingasan. And this is Mr. Tarun Trika, yun pong atin pong may-ari ng ating company. No? He is an Indian national, but raised in London. So, IT expert siya po yung ating CEO and owner din po ng Royal Pacific Airways. Siya po ay 27 years old lang. So, na-meet ko na po siya 5 times na po. So, this is our office in Makati. It's Unit 5B, Pearl Bank Center Building, Valero Street, Salcedo Village, Makati City. So, ito po yung opisina natin. So, nakita nyo po, nandito po yung BIR. So, we are a very, very legal company. Okay? So, ito po yung ating SEC registration. So, tayo po sa Pilipinas, naka-registered po tayo as Tibay Express Holidays Philippines Incorporated. So, nagbabayad po tayo din ng tax. So, you can check our SEC registration and the BIR tax registration certificate po. Okay? So, the 3 mega trends today. So, bakit po natin ginagawa ang business po na ito? Because sa ngayon po, ang talaga pong usong negosyo sa ngayon is the travel and tourism. It's a 7 trillion a year industry. Ito po yung recession proof, no? So, mapansin po ninyo, ang airport hindi po nawawalan ng tao. So, talaga pong it's very, very in na negosyo, no? Travel and tourism. And the internet, so that's why we are using the internet to present this business dahil ito po yung talaga pong maganda po sa ngayon. And the home-based business phenomenon. Gandahan po nito, pwede nyo po itong gawin kahit nasa bahay lang po kayo. Okay? So, a real product need, kasi po ang travel deals are a real need in the marketplace. Sabi nga po, the best product in the world is useless if it's not in demand. So, everyone is looking to save money on their vacations and business trips. So, pwede po tayong mag-earn po dyan. So, yan po ang kagandahan po natin. Kumbaga, pag nagbenta po tayo ng ating travel deals, so, in demand po ito sa world market. Okay? So, what is our club member benefits? Number 1 po, your own personalized booking portal to access our world-class accommodations. Okay? Number 2, you will get a 20 to 50% lifetime discounts to over 295,000 plus hotels and resorts worldwide. So, including na po dyan yung ating mga accommodations po na bonus package po. No? So, ito po yung sinasabi ko po na bonus accommodation. It's it's not pre-vacation. Ito po ay meron pong taxes and processing fees na babayaran. It's 8 days, 7 nights. Stay in a resort, good for 6 to 10 persons, or 4 days, 3 nights in a 3 to 5 star hotel, good for 2 to 6 persons po yan. So, taxes and processing fees excluded po yan. So, pag po, halimbawa, gusto nyo pong i-avail yung inyong 8 days, 7 nights, nakapix po yan ng 7,500. That is good for 10 persons po. So, pakita po natin yung mga example po mamaya. Number 4, meron tayong pre-training on how you can earn profits from the trillion-dollar industry of travel and tourism. So, papadalan po natin kayo ng CD. Then, incentives, pre-trips abroad when you qualify to our company promo. So, recognition and awards to our leadership events, and virtual office to manage your business, and access to our upcoming promos and business programs. So, dito po kami excited soon. Hopefully, bago po mag-end this year, it will launch to our website is bookmytrip.com, wherein pwede na po kayo magbenta ng mga flights and hotels across the world. So, yan po ay all over the world din po yan. Okay? Second din po, meron din po tayong cheapest gadgets and appliances online. Soon, lalabas na rin po yan. So, intay-intayin lang po natin. Pag lumabas na po ito, dito na po talaga magbo-boom po yung ating business. Okay? So, lahat po na magiging member dito, magkakaroon po tayo ng pre-company self-replicating website and virtual office to manage your business. So, yung sinasabi ko po kanina na access to hotel and resort accommodation, basta i-click nyo lang po yung Travel Express. Okay? Pag kinilik nyo po yung Travel Express, lalabas po yung ating Travel Express booking portal. So, nakapangalan po sa inyo yan. So, pag kinilik nyo po dito sa Book Now, lalabas po dyan yung 20 to 50% lifetime discounts. So, sa mga hotels and resorts. So, pwede pong pambayad dyan is credit card or debit card po. No? Pag gusto nyo na pong i-avail yung inyong bonus package, vacation, click nyo lang po yung ating Book My Holidays, no? Payment through booking funds. Ituturo po natin sa inyo yan kung paano nyo po babayaran yung inyo pong bonus package through booking funds. So, may separate training po dito. Okay? So, ito po lahat po na magiging members. Meron po ditong certificate of membership. So, nakapangalan po yan sa inyo. And ito po ang importante yung certificate number that is printable to your website. So, makukuha nyo lang po ito pag kayo po ay member na ng Travel Ventures International. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo lang po, yung booking certificate and confirmation, makukuha nyo po ito doon po sa pag nag-book na po kayo ng inyong accommodation. So, i-present nyo lang po ito sa hotel together with your valid ID. Okay? So, hindi po ito yung sistema na direkta po kayong pupunta sa hotel. Take note, hindi po kayo pupunta directly sa hotel. May ituturo po tayong system na doon po kayo pupunta sa inyong online booking portal. Okay? So, ito po yung mga example natin ng mga discounts. Okay? So, sa Sofitel Philippine Plaza po, ito po yung ginamit ni Omar Breeze and Family. Instead of paying 10,000 po, sa TBI rate, 4,1 lang po yan, 5,900 po yan. That is good for 4 persons po, no? 2 days, 1 night. Okay? Ito po yung example pa rin, H2O Hotel. It's tapat lang po itong ng Luneta. 2 days, 1 night, 7,200, 2,650, 4,550 po ang nasave. Okay, Holiday Inn, ginamit po ni Stella Yamane and Family. 4 days, 3 nights, 9,600 po ang dapat bayaran. 6,100 lang po ang binayaran sa TVI. So, 3,500 po ang nasave po natin. So, ito po naman example ng ating holiday package. No? Instead of paying 24,000, 9,400 lang po ang binayaran. 14,600 po yung ating nasave. Ay, ito po yung example of resort accommodations po. This is in Baguio City, Leisure Vacation Suite. Instead of paying 56,000 for a 1-week vacation, it's a 3-story po, no? So, ito po ay almost 34 po kami nagbakasyon po dyan, kasama po ako dyan. Instead of paying 56,000, 7,500 lang po. 48,500 po ang nitipid po natin. So, sa Tagaytay, meron din po tayo, Sunrise Holiday Mansion. Instead of paying 21,500 for a 1-week vacation, good for 10 persons po ito, 7,500 lang po, 14,000 po ang natipid. So, ito po, kung meron po diyang pupunta ng Boracay, we have Laguna de Boracay Resort, good for 10 persons, 1 week, 79,100. Sa TVI po, 7,500 lang po tayo. Ganyan po kamura ang accommodations natin sa Travel Ventures International. So, nakasave po tayo ng 71,600. Okay? So, example of our international accommodation po, no? Ito naman po ay ginamit sa Silka Hotel Hong Kong. Instead of paying 24,600 for 4 days, 3 nights, 10 po ang rate, 14,400 po ang nasave po natin. Okay? Ito naman po yung personal ko na ginamit nung August 6 to August 8, 2011. Nag-hotel po kami dahil nung August 7 po, nag-grand launch po tayo sa SMX Mall of Asia. Instead of paying 9,600, nagbayad lang po ako dito ng 1,184. I save 8,416. Okay? Ito po yung booking certificate na ipinipresent po sa hotel. Ako po ito. Okay? So, mayroon din po tayo October 23 to 24, 11,300 per night. So, H2O Hotel po, katabi lang po ng Manila Ocean Park. Instead of paying 11,300, 2,300 lang po ang biniyaran. So, nakasave po tayo ng 9,000 pesos with full breakfast pa po yan, worth 1,200. So, ito po yung mga example ng mga hotels. Kung halimbawa, punta po kayo ng Indonesia, we have 100 plus hotels. Singapore, we have in Hong Kong, we have in Taiwan. So, punta po kayo ng Japan, no, Thailand, we have in Canada, we have in USA and Europe. Basta mamili po kayo sa over 295,000 plus in over 210 countries. Hindi ho fixed na number po ito. Nagbabago po itong mga numbers na ito. Depende po sa season, no? So, yan po yung ating mga available hotels and resorts. No? Mamili po kayo kahit saan po meron po tayo. Okay? So, magkano po yung ating package pricing? Okay? Magkano po natin binibenta po itong ating pong services, no? Ang kagandahan po dito, actually, nung nakita ko po ito, hindi po talaga ako traveler, no? Huwag niyo pong isipin na ito po ay para lang po sa mga nagka-travel. Pwede niyo rin po itong gawin doon po sa mga mahilig pong magnegosyo, okay? So, how much are this worth? So, meron po kayong booking portal na worth 20,000, 20 to 50% lifetime discounts to over 200,000 plus hotels and resorts worldwide. You know, bonus package vacation po, no? So, meron tax excluded lang po yan. Access to our upcoming programs and incentives. So, ito po ay one-time lifetime T of 16,800. So ito po yung pinakapunan po ninyo dito sa ating Travel and Earn program. So hindi nga lang po yan, TBI also provides you a global business opportunity through referral that will give you a dream income of 450,000 over and over again that will change your life for you and your family. So ito po, na-earn ko po ito within 5 months po na ginagawa po ang business po na ito. Meron po dito 30 days lang po, kaya pong kitain po itong 450,000. So, sabi nga po, would you like to enjoy traveling our local and international locations while earning at the same time? Siyempre naman po, kung bibigyan po tayo ng pagkakataon, gusto po natin ito. So, dito po sa TVI, we offer you unlimited world-class holidays, vacations in exotic locations of the world and thousands of dollars to spend. So, you can live your dream life with TVI's Travel and Earn opportunity. So, you can travel the world in style with your family and friends. Kasi po, ang pagbabakasyon ay medyo magastos po. So, turn your vacation into paycation. So, yan po ang kagandahan po dito. You can travel our local and international while earning. So, make money while you sleep. So, travel, earn, and own a global business. So, puputulin ko lang po muna itong ating presentation. Susunod po yung ating compensation plan wherein paano po ninyo gagawin po ang business. Thank you very much po.